I have to smile though. Okay, that'll be it. Hi, I'm Megan.
Hi, I'm Katie.
And this is Tween Time! And these are our helpers,
Ashley
and Will.
Yeah!
The supplies you will need for this experiment are anything you raid out of your parents' cupboards.
Yeah!
Open up!
Hey, was that honey? What?
Eat it. I don't know if Ashley, open it up.
I smell pickles. Absolutely not. Is it still in front of you?
Don't be afraid.
Do we have water? Megan, where's my straw? Just stay on me.
Open up.
Oh.
Oh, these again.
Yeah, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Open up.
I got the juice in the dome.
Ready?
Salt. Oh.
Better?
I have a phone. I can't see my phone. How do I know they're gonna text message?
No.
Counts.
You can take off your blindfold now, Will.
What? Who? You had salt, didn't you? You had salt?
Yeah. Now, wasn't that an awesome experiment? Guys, how do you feel about that? Will?
I don't like salt.
How do you feel?
I don't even know what to say. I got nothing. That was horrible.
Join us next week for another awesome experiment.
Oh, hey, there's no scientific experiment here.
Nope.